What's going on, everybody? For today's video we got another live cop featuring my girlfriend Ashley right here. Last week's video did pretty well for me, so I figured I would drop another one. I did have one request again to drop another one, so I will be delivering as always with this new live cop. So this is the t-shirt week. I believe it's week 8, but I'm not sure, but you'll be able to see from the title and the thumbnail. There's the mat, a bunch of t-shirts. What else am I trying to get? The skateboard, obviously, which in my preview video was like one of the top 3 things that I wanted this season, so hopefully we can get that. I've been trying to avoid all single carts this season, but it looks like that's probably why I've been taking L's every season. So I'm gonna try to single cart the mat. I have Ashley trying to get some of the t-shirts, so hopefully we can get those. Again, we're not gonna be screen recording on hers, but we will be screen recording on mine, so that will be up once we start that. Before we get into the video though, I did want to say a few things. From my last video doing somewhat decent for my channel at least, I did get a bunch of hate comments, so I will be addressing those right now because I am low-key offended. A lot of people are saying that I am a noob to the Supreme community, and I can guarantee you that I am not. You can even see on the channel that I have unboxings from 2017. So I have been buying things. It's just lately the website is completely broken. And if you are hitting on manual, congratulations, but we are all taking L's over here. I've already prepared myself to be taking these L's. I also got StockX open over on the other page over here because I already plan on buying that skateboard if I don't get it. Yeah, like the website is completely broken. I can assure you I used to hit W's on everything except a box logo if you go and check the videos. It's just lately this thing is broken. You guys always are telling me what to do. I can also promise you I know what to do. Everything is broken. I got the autofill, I got all that stuff loaded in. I know to be on the tab, but trust me, things are broken over here. Even in the past, she's actually hit some big W's. She's got the Scarface skateboard and the Scarface lamp for me in the past.
Quite a lot.
Yeah, like.
And I'm a noob.
I can't even remember what else there was, but I can also promise you that these are videos that are on the channel, so you can go check those out. I am not a Supreme noob. I am low-key offended by that comment. I deleted it. So yeah, we got about 5 minutes left until the drop. I'm just so proud of myself because this is the earliest we've ever started it. I did want to address something else, but I did forget. My last live cop video got 15 likes, which is pretty decent for 1 week for me. So if this live cop right now can get 15 likes, I will drop another live cop next week regardless on what's coming out. So if you want to see that, make sure you hit the like button, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video, and hopefully we're about to hit a W on this live cop, Supreme Week 8. I also forgot to mention, I got the phone loaded here just in case we got to be doing Supreme on mobile for taking another L. And shout out Drops by Jay, because we just got confirmation the woven mat is $38 and not $88. We need a hype in the chat one time, and hopefully we're going to secure it, but that also means it's probably going to fly even faster now that it's only $38 because we got less than a minute until the drop. Screen recording is starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, we are live on the screen recording. We have 30 seconds roughly until the drop. I'm loaded in on, I should probably be loaded in the accessories, but watch me take an L and watch this mat not load in the accessories. I'm still going to try to single cart it because I'd rather pay the extra $10 for the shipping right now than have to worry about taking the L and buying resale on it. This isn't necessarily an item I would pay resale for, but I do really want this, and being only $38, this has to be a cop. We got 3 seconds. Let's go. I'm talking too much. Let's load the accessories. It's 11. Where are they at? We're refreshing. Not here. Let's try the new. Nope.
No.
We're getting some lag. It's going to be one of those weeks. Looks like she's getting some lag too. This is looking worse than Motion Logo Week right now. Don't know how that's possible. Looks like a lot of people wanted that mat. Alright, we can't load anything. We can't load the shop. Looking like going to be a big L today. See, that's what I'm saying. Every time I make these live cop videos, I'm looking like a noob because we can't load anything.
Literally the page.
Looking awful right now, actually. Okay, we just reloaded in. Let's see. None of the new stuff was there. Okay, here we go. Let's get this woven mat. Like I said, we're just single carding this because we're done. We're sick of taking L's. Hopefully we can get the skateboard. Okay, we're processing on the 1. I'm actually not paying attention to Ashley's right now, so hopefully she's hitting.
It's been in my card, but it's loading.
Okay,
so.
we got a card decline on the on the mat, and I believe it's sold out. So probably a no-go on the mat. I'm gonna assume we're processing on the skateboard right here.
Yes, got it.
Both mats are sold out. Okay, she got both
Wait, now I
t-shirts
get
in
the
the size.
sailboat, right?
I will let you know. Yeah, try to get the sailboat and then try to get the everything is shitty in black, size large. Okay, so it looks like we got another card decline.
Here's the sailboat. What color? Navy.
Navy.
Navy or extra large. And the what tee?
Everything is shitty. And then if you're feeling confident, maybe even try the morph tee. Alright, we're taking too many L's. I don't think I got anything.
Morph tee and what?
Tie-dye. So it looks like I'm not going to be able to get anything. What's new? Just let me hit on the skateboard, please. How am I getting all these card declines right now? Looks like we got another card decline. Can you try to get the skateboard for me after that?
Yeah.
Even though it's probably sold out.
Which one?
The yellow chrome logo one.
Oh.
Alright, I think I'm up to 4 card decline now.
Is it one size?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got those two too.
Dang, she hit on both t-shirts and we can't get anything over here. Hopefully she can get that skateboard for me. Looks like the chrome logo is sold out. I think I'm about to hit another card decline. Supreme literally must hate me.
Got the skateboard.
Wow, she got everything for
What
me.
else do you need?
We got all. You can't get anything else because everything address is locked. Everything is address locked. So
Okay.
she basically had got everything for me. I haven't got a single item yet. Like, is it the screen recorder or what's going on here?
You want me to try?
What? Your address locked though. They're not gonna allow you to get more. Another card decline. What is going on?
They
What?
won't let me order more stuff?
No, they can't get the same items.
Oh.
So we basically got everything that I wanted except the mat, but I literally cannot check out right now. I'm second guessing myself because I don't even know if I'm entering the right CVC, but I am, and I cannot get a single item. We're going for like the 6th, 7th card decline right here. Another card payment. Unfortunately, we cannot process your payment. Dang, I have no idea what's going on. I've never really experienced like this many card declines.
The skateboard's
We're just gonna add something else and try again. I'm also surprised that that's not even sold out. I got everything entered in correctly here.
Yeah, you do.
I have no idea what is going on. I also verified that the card information is correct. I have
Yeah,
no
it's all
idea
good.
what is going on. We're loading to another card decline. This is insane to me. Why am I taking all these L's? Looks like all the Dino tees are sold out. Black's now, which is kind of odd. We'll just throw it in because we're just getting crazy. Okay, so it looks like the sailboat tee is sold out. So everything else in my cart is still in stock. So I don't know how it's not letting me check out. Can we please just hit on one freaking thing?
Yes.
No, Chrome
Oh.
was sold out. Okay, so that's sick. This gotta be the longest live cop too.
It's 11:07.
Oh my god, there goes a freaking Dino tee. Normally I would just like not care and try to get some of this stuff, but now I'm just annoyed. Okay, there goes the sailboat tee. Okay, looks like we're just trying to get these. Alright, looks like we got free shipping on this card if we can actually hit, but let's see. I'm so shocked right now. I literally can't get anything. Okay, we actually hit on something.
Nice. All the boards are so in stock.
Yeah, the boards are still in stock, so that kind of sucks. Oh, I also realized I got the yellow board, but all right, can't really complain at this point in time. So I did get the Dino, did get the Morph. I'm gonna try to attempt to get the sailboat, but it's got to be gone by now. And let's see. Yeah, it looks like the sailboat is in red, but that's probably an L. Gray, I feel like would be better than red. Sold out, sick. Sold out also. Okay, never mind. This is probably not for real then. Yeah, it looks like sailboat is sold out, so that's an L. Kind of upset about the mat, but I'm going to be checking StockX here in a moment to see how much the mat is going for. Okay, we're just trying to get some random things here now. I don't even remember what teas I got. Alright, so hopefully we're about to hit again. Was that my Supreme? That's my order confirmation, so that's good. Alright, let's just at least hit on this so we can hit another dub. I don't even really know what I bought at this point. I'm just adding stuff to my cart, but hopefully it's not going to be... Could you actually try to pull up StockX for me in a different tab and see how much that mat is? Probably able to find it. I don't know what it's really called, but I'm sure if you type in mat, it will come up. Alright, so we just got some more tees. That's sick. And a size large too. Only one in a medium, so that's actually cool. I was able to get the sailboat tee. Can't be really too mad at this point. At least I did get stuff. Actually, I really only hit, because she got the shirts I wanted in my size, so I really only took an L on the mat, which I almost guaranteed I was going to get. What's the mat at? $94. Wow. Wonder how much that was.
That's not it.
Yeah, they draw it though now for some reason. I don't know why they do that. So, ooh, highest bid $100. That's actually pretty wild. How big is this thing? 76 inches. Wow, that's pretty big. All right, we just got the other shop notification. Is there anything else I'm trying to get? Even though it's probably all gone by now. Somehow these are in stock. I wanted to get the black too, but that was my mess up on that part. But at least we got the yellow one. I can't complain. I'll probably hold on to the second yellow one I got for a while to see if that goes up in price. I kind of wanted this hat. I didn't go for it though because obviously I was I was too busy trying to get the other ones. Also, this pale yellow or acid yellow actually is looking nice. I really like this colorway. Oh, I wanted to go for these shorts too, and I also forgot about these. Honestly, kind of shocked that the water shorts are still in stock. But I don't really want to get the dragon tee. Unless any of these are in a small, but I highly doubt it. Blue. Is this really in stock? No. Wow, blue sold out? Interesting. Okay, actually looks like this is sold out in some sizes. So are we gonna hit on this last order? Yeah, so I just got that dragon tee in extra large and these. These are probably both huge brick items, but I'm gonna sit on these for a minute. I'm so surprised that the water shorts are still in stock though. That's so crazy. So luckily I got free shipping like twice out of these orders, so that saved me like $20. So that's nice. Basically got everything except the mat. So we did pretty good. I still can't believe she got. Why am I losing my voice so much? I still can't believe she got all those orders before I could even get one. You had like 5 orders before I even got the one order, which is pretty wild. Now, before I go, let me type in this mat one more time to see. Dang, black is more, which is kind of wild. Highest bid is $115 now.
I checked out at 11:01.
Oh, you checked out at 11:01. Wow, yeah, we got the promo going on. Oh, you were able to get the sailboat in an extra large? This is fire. I can't believe that. So it looks like the mat is doing pretty well, which is unfortunate on my part because I wanted this thing. So yeah, it looks like that's doing pretty good. I don't even want to check the tees right now because those tees are probably under retail. It's also so crazy to me that they're drawing these now. Those t-shirts are mostly probably under retail right now, so we're not even going to check those until those come in. This was my third or fourth live cop this season, so I hope you guys did enjoy that video. I probably could have turned the screen recording off. Video saved. So yeah, like I was saying, pretty successful week. I'm probably gonna buy this mat right now. So I'm gonna see if it's a little bit cheaper anywhere else though first, because usually people are trying to unload those items quickly. But yeah, I would say pretty overall this is probably the best week of the season besides week one. Week one, it was probably the only week I actually took W's. Huge shout out to Ashley for giving me all those things. We got 2 skateboards. I think we got like 10 tees in total now. So we'll be doing a huge unboxing once all this stuff comes in, but it might be kind of delayed because my shipment from last week hasn't even shipped. Well, actually, no, that's a lie. It shipped yesterday. So that's probably going to be super delayed. So that video might not come out for a few more weeks because obviously due to everything going on right now, there are delays on shipments. So once that comes in, we will be doing this huge Supreme unboxing. I think you have 3 orders or 4?
3.
Okay, you have 3. I think I have 4. So yeah, we have about 7 orders. So this is gonna be a huge unboxing. That video will be coming soon. If you did enjoy the live cop and want to see another one next week, make sure you hit that like button, because if we can get 15 likes, really low number, I believe in you guys, we will be hitting another live cop next week. I think that's everything. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. My Instagram will be down below. Follow me if you would like. I will catch you guys in the next video. Go check out all my other Supreme videos because we got a ton on the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell notification so you can be alerted anytime I upload a new video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. We're out.